Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your servers in Genshin Impact. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open a Genshin Impact application first. Simply go to your game launcher and launch the application. You can only change your server freely on your Android, iOS and PC accounts for your Genshin Impact, but you won't be able to do it on your PS4. After you open your Genshin Impact application, simply go ahead and log into your account if necessary. And now tap on the server right here before starting your game. Now, select the server that you'd like to change to. You can choose from the options displayed on the screen. And that way you'll be able to change the server on your Genshin Impact quick and easy. All you need to do now is start your game. That is how you can change servers in Genshin Impact. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.